Hey guys, today I just wanted to quickly go over how to schedule a showing. The first thing you'll want to do is sign into RealComp and get to your homepage. You'll come down here to the partner applications, click on showings, and go down to showings here. And then make a new request. Over here, you'll type in the property address that you're going to want to show for your clients. Let's just take this property for example. You'll click that property once it shows up. Schedule a single showing. So this is a good reminder. Sometimes this shows up as a message, sometimes it doesn't, but as an agent representing a buyer, you need to make sure that you have an exclusive designated buyer agency agreement signed. So before you schedule any showings, make sure that you've gone through and filled this agreement out and your client has signed it. This will ensure that you can get paid, as well as that you actually represent the buyer exclusively for a certain period of time at least. So once you have that completed, you can just click yes, we have it. We'll just do Sunday this time. 1:45, you can click till 2:15, so they allow 30-minute time slots. Do we have access to SentryLock? Make sure that app is downloaded and connected to your account. Is very important because there's been times where I've gotten to the property and I didn't realize my SentryLock app wasn't fully calibrated or connected to my RealComp number, and it just took me a long time to get that set up. So the buyers actually had to end up waiting, just standing around. So just make sure you have SentryLock on your phone, and that's it. You can just hit request appointment, and then showing is confirmed. All right, that was it. Thank you.